If you want to use a Morph Transition along with a Zoom Magnified effect, this is how it'll look. Stick around and learn how to do it. So we have a blank screen. I'm going to drag and drop my image. I'm going to resize it by holding and dragging on the corner dots. Now that I have it where I want it, I'm going to the slide deck, right click to get the menu, left click on duplicate slide. Now I'm going to insert what will start as an oval and I'll make it into a circle. On the area of focus, going up to shape fill with the circle selected, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, red, back to shape outline. I'm going to make it a little bit more weight at 4.5 points. So we have a red circle around the area of focus. Now I'm going to deselect. Now I'm going to select both the background image as well as the circle shape. So to work correctly, I left clicked on the background image and then press and held shift. Came over to shape, left clicked on the shape, and that way the background image was selected first, shape second, and now it'll work correctly. Go up to shape format, left click, merge shapes, go to intersect. That'll pull out the section that I want. I can resize that to what I want. Go up to the slide deck, left click to select it, right click to get the menu, duplicate the slide. Going back to the third slide, going up to format image, going to put an outline around it, picture border, red, back to picture border, weight is going to be 4.5. That's about where I want it. Now I'm going to, with the image selected, Control C to make a copy. Now I select the second slide and I'm going to press Control V to paste. Now keep it clear of the bottom grayed area to make sure that in presentation it'll show well. I'm going to select both the first and second slides. With the first and second slides selected, I'm going to left click on transitions, left click on morph. This assigns the morph transition to both the first and second slides. Now I'm going to select the second slide, select the copied image, going to add an animation to it, going to add zoom, left click on the trigger. It's going to be picture 4. So in other words, when I left click on picture 4, it will trigger the animation to go into effect. Now with the first slide selected, I'm going to left click on this bottom screen icon to put it in presentation mode. Left click anywhere on the screen for the first morph, then left click again for the zoomed magnifying glass effect. If this helped, let me know in the comments. If you tried it, let me know. Let me know also what the audience thought, and let me know if you ever wanted to do it again, if you liked it or if you did not like it. And feel free to ask any questions. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.